Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, whose base is 8 cm. We should draw the base here, 8 cm, and altitude, height of that triangle will be 4 cm. And then another triangle whose sides is 1.5 times, that is, the triangle will be bigger than the first isosceles triangle what we will be going to construct. Corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle, 1.5 times means 1.5. Let us convert this into an improper fraction as it is a mixed fraction. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is there. So first of all, let me draw a straight line. Straight line. And then afterwards, let me mark a point here and name it as A. And then afterwards, I will be taking the base as 8 centimeter. We should take the base as 8 centimeter. I am taking the base as 8 centimeter. You can see here. The base is from zeros to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeter here. And I will place it here at A, and then I will mark an arc here and name it as B. Let this point be B. This measures 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. And then afterwards, we have to mark the altitude is 4 centimeter. As the altitude is 4 centimeter, we should get the midpoint and we should draw altitude. So we will be taking more than half of this one of the line provided, and I will cut the arcs on both the sides of the line. From A I have drawn 2 arcs, and from B also from B, both the sides we have drawn, and I will be joining these 2 points of the arcs. Yes, finished now. And then afterwards, what I want to do here is I want to take the altitude is 4 centimeter. So from the midpoint, I will be taking the altitude as 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter altitude I want to take. I have kept it here 0 exactly, and then I will adjust here to the 4 centimeter. You can see here it is a 4 centimeter. And then from the midpoint, that is here, I will be cutting an arc. I have cutted an arc, and let me name this point as C. This point, let it be C. And then I will cut a line here from A. I will join AC. I will be joining A and C. I have joined AC. Let me rewrite C once again. Let this be C. So I have joined AC, and now I will be joining BC. BC. And now, next I will be drawing a line which forms an acute angle. The acute angle means angle which is less than 90 degree. Which measures less than 90 degree and greater than 0 is called as acute angle. And I will be drawing a line here which forms an acute angle with BC. Yes, with AB, sorry. With AB, and I will name this point as X. And I will name it as X. And then I will cut this. I will cut this into 3 parts. Cut it into 3 parts. I will cut this line into 3 equal parts. So 1 I have not changed, 1 part, 2 part and 3 part, and I will name this one as, name this arc as A1 and this as A2 and this as A3, and now I will join, as you already know the denominator is 2, as the denominator is 2 I have to join A2 with the present length, that is B. I will join these 2 points, and next what I have to do is I will take my compass with a pen and I will draw an arc from A2. I will be joining them. I will be drawing the any length. It is not a fixed length. You can take any length, but it should be precise. It should be suitable. Okay, and I will be cutting an arc. I cutted an arc. Yes, finished now. I will take the same arc, same length of the compass, and I will draw this arc of same length from A3 2, which cuts the line AX. AX also should be cutted, and yes, I have completed the drawing of the arc. I have drawn 2 arcs here, and then afterwards you be careful. I will adjust. I will take the point here. This point has to be taken, and the point here which is formed, the point what we got from the intersection of this arc and this line, the point here, we should adjust the length of the compass and the pencil, and we should draw a arc and cut a arc. We should cut a arc with the same length. You should not alter this length. Be careful that the compass should be very tight. So you should not change its length. With the same length, what we have to do, we should draw a arc, another arc, and from this point, from the point what we have gone by drawing an arc from A3, I have drawn. I have got a point, another point here. Through this point, I should draw a line. I should draw a line from A3, which passes through the point here. Yes, right? Which touches the line. Which should go through this one, and it should pass through this point. The line, the extension of the line AB should be intersected, and this point is called as B dash. This point is called as B dash. Now what we have to do means, we should take once again the compass. The same old compass has to be taken, and what we have to do here is we should draw another arc. You take any length, and you adjust, you draw a arc from B, cutting these 2 lines. You got. Likewise, you should draw another one arc from B dash with the same length. As you draw from B, the same length has to be used here at B dash. Okay now, and then afterwards you should place the compass at the point where the arc cuts the AB dash. When you draw the arc from B, yes, right, here you will place it, and then afterwards you should adjust this to the point here. Yes, right, and then afterwards you should cut an arc here. Yes, likewise only you should draw another arc from here. Yes, you got it. We got it? And then afterwards, we should draw a line which completes the construction. After drawing this, the construction is completed. Yes, right. Yes. You correctly, it should pass through these 2 points. Yes. And this point is called as C dash. The required triangle, you see here you have got the required triangle. The required triangle is A, B dash, C dash, which measures 3/2 of the ABC. This completes the construction of the triangle. This is also isosceles triangle. First triangle ABC was also isosceles, and the triangle AB dash C dash is also isosceles triangle, but it will be 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle ABC. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 cm, AB is equal to 5 cm, and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Now let me draw a straight line first. And mark a point B. Let this point be B, and then let me draw a 6 cm line. It is here 6 cm. You can check it off here, 6 cm. So I am drawing here 6 cm arc, and I am writing here 6 cm, and this point is called as BC, as it is 6 cm. And then afterwards, I will take my protractor and measure an angle 60 degree, because it is given that we should measure an angle 60 degree. It is here 60 degree, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree. And I will draw a straight line. Passing through these 2 points, B and this point. This is 60 degree. Somewhere here A is there, as angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Somewhere here A is there. And then AB is 5 cm. As AB is 5 cm, I should mark AB equal to 5 cm. So how to do this means, once again we will be taking from 0 to 5. We will adjust it to 5. You can see carefully. Yes, right. You should mark this from B to A. Yes. This is 5 centimeter, and this point is called as A. And I will join these 2 points. These 2 points are joined here. A and C are joined here. And then afterwards, I will draw an acute angle, a line forming an acute angle with BC. And now I will cut this line BX into 4 equal parts. As the denominator is bigger here, we should cut it into 4 equal parts. One, 2, 3 and 4, and I will name them as here B. In the previous case it was A, but here B is there, so B1, B2, B3, B4, and I will be joining B4 with C. B4 with C. The denominator is 4, so we will be joining B4 with C. Yes, and then I will take the compass and cut an arc here. In every problem, this is an usual process. I will cut an arc with some length, and then afterwards 3 is there here. You should not forget that here 3 is their numerator, so you should move on to the point 3 and cut an arc here too. Cut an arc here. As I yes, there is no change, nothing has changed here. You should note down that one, nothing has changed. And then afterwards you should adjust this one, adjust the length of this point with that of this point. Yes, right. And now cut a arc here, cut a arc. This is the most important part. This one arc will may change these problems future. This construction depends on this arc itself. And now let me join this point with the B3, with the B3. And this point can be called as C dash. The same procedure as we did here, it will continue here too at the point C. From the point C, I will be cutting an arc. Likewise, I will be cutting the same arc from C dash. Yes. Yes, I did it. And now I will be measuring the length of the point here. Be careful, this point with that of this point. Yes. Draw an arc, and then from this point you should draw another arc. Yes, right? Finished now? Now I have finished. I will draw a line passing through this point from C dash to this point. Yes, this is A dash. Here B C dash A dash is the required triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Here this one is the smaller triangle. BC dash A dash is the smaller triangle what we have got. As the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we will be getting the smaller triangle. If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we will be getting the bigger triangle. You should note this point. Let us move to the next problem. Draw a triangle ABC with the side BC is equal to 7 cm, angle B is equal to 45 degree, angle A is equal to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4/3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Here we will be getting a bigger triangle than the triangle ABC. How means the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so we can conclude that it is a bigger triangle. Now let me draw a straight line first and mark a point here B, and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 45 degree. Angle A is equal to 105 degree. So BC is there. C, we will adjust it to 7 centimeter. As usual, we have adjusted to the 7 centimeter, and I will placing this at B, and I am cutting a arc here, and this is called as C, and this is 7 centimeter. And then angle B is 45 degree. Angle B is 45 degree. You see here, this line has to be adjusted properly. Here from this point, not from this point. You should take this point as a center point, and here you should, it is 45 degree. It is, angle B is 45 degree. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and here comes the 45 degree. Here comes the 45 degree, and now draw a line from B. As you draw a line from B through the point through this point, and this is 45 degree, and then it is told that BC is, but what about this angle? Angle A is 105, so we can't calculate this one, but we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 105 degree. Angle B is equal to 45 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So if we add these two degrees, two angles, we will get 150 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So angle C is equal to 30 degree. To get an angle A equal to 105 degree, we have to calculate angle C, which will be equal to 30 degree as per the angle sum property of the triangles. We can construct an angle 30 degree here. Now I have joined here, you see carefully, the center point is correct, and I will be not from this side. You should measure from this side 10, 20 and 30 degree. Here it is 30 degree. Yes, the 30 degree is there here. B, C, A, angle C, we should take this side, and let me draw a straight line from C to this point, and this point is called as A, and this measures, as this measures 30 degree, this angle measures 105 degree. 105 degree. Now I will be drawing a line which forms an acute angle with the line BC, and let me name it as BX, and I will divide it into 4 equal parts. As the numerator is 4 whereas the denominator is 3, we can't divide it into 3 parts. With the greater number has to be chosen to divide the line. So I will be dividing it into 4 equal parts from B. 1 part is over, 2 is over, 3 arcs are being cut, and now I am cutting the final part. So I will name them as B1, B2, B3, B4. Four parts are there, and then I will be joining B3 with C. B3 with C. The denominator is 3, so I am joining B3 with C, and then I am taking the compass and cutting an arc from B3. The same length has to be used to cut an arc from B4. I have cut it, and then I will be now adjusting it from B2, not from B2, the point of intersection of the arc and the line B and X, so that it has been adjusted. Yes, right, you can see here, and cut an arc. Likewise, I am cutting an arc from the point, this point. Yes, I have cut it, and I will be joining B4 with this point by drawing a line. The line should join here. Oh yes, right? Yes. You see, students, these two lines should be parallel. These two lines are parallel. If they are parallel, then only it is correct. C dash. And then afterwards, we will move on to the point C, and I will be cutting a arc here too. I will be cutting an arc here too with any measurement of length. From C dash also I will be cutting an arc. I have cutted an arc here also, and then afterwards what I will be doing is I will be adjusting the length of this one with the, oh yes, it is here, final, yes, 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 yes. Next I will join here. Yes, I got it, and then afterwards I will be drawing a line from C dash. Through this point, through the point of intersection of the two arcs, and which reaches this line, and this point is called as A dash. The required triangle B C dash A dash is ready. And the corresponding sides of this triangle are 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. This completes the sixth construction of this exercise. Draw a right triangle in which the sides are of length 4 cm and 3 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So first of all, we should draw a straight line. And then we should mark a point here and name it as A. The point, let it be A. And then afterwards, we should draw a angle, as it is a right angle triangle. What we have to do means we should construct a angle 90 degree here, as we have done in the previous classes. This is the process of constructing a right angle triangle. Right angle. Or else you can use the protractor to construct a right angle. I am using the method which is being prescribed in the 9th standard. And then afterwards, we can join these 2 points, the point of intersection of these arcs and the starting point A. By joining these 2 points, we will get a right angle at this point. This is the right angle. And then afterwards, we can adjust our protractor such that it measures 4 centimeter. It measures 4 centimeter. Yes, you can see here it measures exactly 4 centimeter. And then from A to B, I am marking a point here. This point, let it be B. This point be B. This measures 4 centimeter. Now, we want a 3 centimeter AC. We will adjust it to 3 centimeter. We got here point C. This point is called as C. And now let me join these 2 points B and C. The point B and point C. So this is 3 centimeter. Now let me draw a straight line from B such that it makes a acute angle, which makes an acute angle with the given, and let me mark it as X. Mark it as X. This forms an acute angle with the AB. Now, I will be dividing this AX into 5 equal parts. As the numerator is 5, I will be dividing it to 5 equal parts. 1, I am not changing the length. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 arcs I have drawn, and I will be naming them as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. As the denominator here is 3, as the denominator here is 3, as the denominator here is 3, I will join A3 with B, A3 with B. And then I will take the point A3. At the point A3, I will draw an arc. And I will draw the same arc at, I am not adjusting any length. As I have drawn in A3, likewise only I am drawing the same length arc from A5. Here you should note down that it is from A5. I am drawing the arc. And then afterwards, what I will do here means, you see from A3 I have drawn, and that arc intersects the line AX, From the point of intersection of the arc and the line, I will adjust the length from where the arc cuts this A3B line, and I will adjust it to the point so that it should, yes, you can observe here it is meeting the point of intersection of the arc and this line. Oh yes, and I will draw a arc here. I am drawing a arc. Yes, right, simple arc. From this point also I will be drawing another one arc here. The two arcs intersects at this point. At this point I will draw a line. I will draw a line from A5 and this point, crossing this point, I will join the AB, extended portion of the AB line. Yes, I have drawn this line and I will call this point as B dash. B dash. And now I will take once again the compass and then I will draw from this point. I will draw an arc as we did here in A3 and A5. We are doing the same procedure here too. From B dash, as I have drawn from B, now I am doing the same, cutting the same arc from B dash, and then afterwards from the point of intersection of the arc and the line AB, that is this point, I will adjust these 2 points. You can see here, make out, yes, it is here. Yes, here I have drawn an arc. Likewise, from the point here, I will be drawing an arc here too. Yes. Now, let me draw a line from B dash to the line AC. To the line AC. Yes. You see this? Let me name this as C dash. C dash. The required triangle is ready now. The required triangle is A, B dash, C dash. A, B dash, C dash is ready. The side of the triangle A, B dash, C dash is 5/3 times the corresponding side of the triangle ABC. Here you should note down that if the numerator is bigger, definitely the triangle will be, you will be getting the bigger triangle. If the numerator is smaller, you will be getting the smaller triangle. Here this completes this exercise.